Hello children, I am Priyanka Goyal, your English teacher, and I am back again with another story. This story is very interesting. The name of the story is The Dragon Rock, which is written by Alina Ashley. Okay, so let's begin the story. Once upon a time, there was a large rock in the gentle meadows of a small valley in the hills. It looked like a sleeping dragon. See in the picture. Actually, this is a giant rock. This is a big rock whose shape is like a dragon. So, it's a dragon shaped rock. So, this rock looked like a sleeping dragon. Children love to frolic. Frolic means to play happily. So children love to frolic and chatter around this rock. The whole day children love to play and chatter around this rock. It was their favorite sport. The children knew it was a dragon. Even the grown-ups, the dogs, cats, birds knew it was a dragon. But nobody was scared of it as it never moved from its place. They would poke sticks at it. They hang their red boots on its ears, but it did not mind. The woman would chop twigs for firewood on its lazily drooping tail because it was just at the right height. Often on a cool night under the stars, the folk would share the stories about how the dragon got there. Though nobody knew for sure, but one thing that everybody agreed on was a small song which was the only thing they had inherited from their forefathers. It went like this. The song was like this. When the trouble will be high, the dragon will fly. It will spread its wings and dig through its back a tiny spring. The days went by quietly. There had been no rain in the valley for as long as the children could remember. The well started to dry, the lawn had faded to a crisp biscuit color, and flowers dropped their proud heads. The valley turned browner, drier, and thirstier with each passing day. Everybody grew worried. They would look upwards, searching for rain clouds in the blue clear sky, but none ever came. The rain didn't come. The tale of dragon cannot be true, said old Mrs. Sopara. It has not moved an inch, I swear, replied her neighbor. It was now too hot for children to play out in the sun, and they would gather under the shadow of the rocks. The dragon will help us soon, said one child. We are sure we will, nodded all in agreement. Though old people, they were losing hopes about dragon, that the dragon will help them. But the little children, they did not lose their hope. They said they had strong belief that dragon would help them very soon. So children, this was the belief of all village people that this is not just a rock, this is a dragon, and this dragon will become alive one day and it will help them in bringing up the rain. So what happened next? Did the belief of village people or did the belief of children broken, or the dragon really woke up and he helped the people to bring the rain? To know this, we will find the answers in my next session. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.